Hi all, great news. AWS has just announced a new specialty certification for SAP. It's called SAP on AWS and they are giving an option of 50% off on the beta exam. So let's get into it. So where does this certification fits? So it is a specialty certification as shown in the right hand side, which is not yet added into AWS certification metrics, but I believe it should fit definitely around other five specialty certification. So we will see how AWS structure their certification and add this in. Let's understand more about this. So about this new certification, it's called SAP on AWS Specialty. This exam validates advanced technical skills and experience to design, implement, migrate, and operate SAP workload optimally on AWS. So it's all about SAP workload on AWS. And following are the tasks that it checks. Design a SAP solution that runs in AWS cloud in adherence with the AWS Well architecture framework. As you know, AWS is a defined architecture framework called AWS Well architecture framework. So this exam validates how app solution adhere to that. At the same time, as mentioned in the second point, it also validates how the SAP solution on AWS adhere with the SAP certification and support requirement. So it's a win-win for both from AWS side, they want to check it is in adherence with well architect framework, and on SAP side, it should be SAP certification and support requirement adherence. So it's pretty good validation. Again, it validates, implement new SAP workloads on AWS, migrate existing SAP workload on AWS, operate SAP workloads on AWS. So pretty straightforward. It defines that how to implement, migrate, operate SAP workload with a good adherence to AWS as well as SAP certification or standards. Now who should take this exam? The target candidate as per AWS should have knowledge, skill, experience and competence to design, implement, migrate and operate SAP workloads on AWS. And as far as the experience concerned, it is advisable to have 5 or more year of SAP experience and 1 or more year experience working with SAP on AWS. It's an advisable, but it is not mandatory. Also, there are recommendations on AWS knowledge as well as SAP knowledge and other IT knowledge. As I have listed, AWS knowledge, high availability, disaster recovery, core AWS infrastructure, migration tools, global infrastructure, security best practices, multi-account scenarios and multi-region scenarios, operation and management service and tool, and AWS transfer services. Same way, there is a list for SAP, which is SAP Basic and SAP NetWeaver administration, SAP supported databases, SAP supported operating system, SAP migration and installation tools, sizing, identity management. So this gives an idea what kind of knowledge would be checked, and you can start preparing on these topics. More about the exam, it's a multi-choice or multiple response question only. So no worries, there are no gonna be labs. So far there is only one exam in AWS where we have labs, which is certified SysOp administrator. Other than that, all the AWS exams are without labs. The type is specialty. So delivery method is both online or in the testing center. Time is 220 minutes. And cost for this exam is gonna be available at 50% discount. So it's gonna be 150 USD compared to other specialty are generally 300 USD. Languages, so far it is gonna be available in English. The score gonna be available approximately 90 days after the end of the beta exam. We are gonna cover more details on the dates. And what are the key domains covered in this exam? Design of SAP workload on AWS, implementing SAP workload, I'm migrating SAP workload, operating and maintaining of SAP workload. So pretty straightforward domains are there, and there is much more detailed available. I'm gonna show you links for those so that you can go ahead and start preparing for it. There are some key dates to remember as this is the beta exam. First day to register for beta exam is October 26th. So October 26th you can register for the beta exam. Once register, you can start taking the exam from November 22nd. Last day to take the beta exam is Jan 11, 2022. So you have almost 2 months to take a beta exam. Then expected availability standard exam is Q2 2022 sometime. The standard exam gonna be available. So if you start preparing now, you can very well be done on 11/22 itself. So what are the next steps? You can start preparation. and make sure you are connected with the dates and registered on time, and be the first one to get this specialty certification. So how do you start preparation? I'm going to show you some links. There is an exam guide available. I'm going to put this link in the description. So in this you can see what are the domains. Under each domain, the topics, the knowledge, skills, everything is listed here. So you can start looking for it and try to gain your knowledge. I'll put the link for this exam guide. Also, if you see, there is a dedicated page on SAP on AWS, so you can check out this page. I'm gonna put this link, and here also there are examples and documentation which you can browse and start learning about AWS and SAP workloads. And then if you think you are already working on this for quite some time and you have knowledge, then there is a sample exam questions available from AWS. So I'm going to put this link also there. You can try this question to get an idea. And the good thing is there are answers and explanation also available. So there are like 10 questions and you will see the answers as well as the explanation and links to some of the article where you can able to gain your more knowledge. Those are available. So this can get you started, and in the meantime more training learning material will be available. I will update those in this channel. Also, when the exam is ready to be scheduled and when other vouchers are available, I make videos and update this here. So you can subscribe to this channel to stay updated on this exam and many other exams and available discount, etc. I have also covered about how we can get 50% discount on AWS Architect exam which is going on. I'll put link for that video also. And also there are like monthly videos or weekly videos as needed are uploaded on this channel to keep you guys updated on multi-cloud certification. We covered AWS, Azure, Google, etc. on this channel. So subscribe this channel. If you like it, hit like button and share it. Thank you. Good luck with the exam.